I am Lachand Bora, Government Sanskrit College Sikar. Today we are to read a popular play, The Airy Ape by Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill has written so many plays in modern America. Most of his plays are related to the exploitation of the human beings because of industrialization, urbanization. In this play, the most important character is Yank, Yank. Yank is a common American name, or we can say Yank is short for Yankee, Yankee. Yankee means a typical American. Yank is the only living character in the play The Airy Ape. His full name is Robert Smith, or Yank may be called the tragic hero of this play. We can say that Yank possesses superhuman strength. He is broad, fierce, powerful, and above all, sure for himself. He is respected and is feared for his superior strength. Other stokers on the ship lack individuality. He is a man with his own individuality. Only two of the stokers have been given names. One of them is Long and the other is Paddy. Yank is a man who hates the members of the crew. Yank is contemptuous of women and girls, whom he calls tarts, Tarts. He hated his home from where he ran away when he was a boy. The Yank had run from his home when he was a boy, and he did not like his family members. Yank was beaten up by his parents. After running away from home, he joined trucking, and later on he became a stoker. He belongs to the ship. He thinks that his belonging is only the ship. He says that he makes the ship go at the speed of 25 knots an hour. Yank scorns religion, law, government, democracy, and even God. He hates beer but likes hard drinks. So we can say that Yank hates nature. यंग के बारे में एक बात और बताना चाहूँगा. यंग बहुत बड़ा ईगोइस्टिक है. EGOEM. He has fantastic illusions about himself and his place of belonging to the bottom of the ship. He works like a master, not as a slave. Like others, he knows nothing about the capitalist class who are mere baggage to him. All the capitalists are pale, weak, and unproductive. He is proud of belonging to the age of steel. Steel is the new modern mechanical civilization of America. Yank takes pride in his energy. तो still is what Yang is. Then the question comes, एक फीमेल कैरेक्टर है माइल्ड्रेड, MILDRED. तो Yang is greatly disturbed as a result of his encounter with Mildred in the Stockholm. When Yang is insulted by Mildred, his pride in his work and the illusion of belonging to the ship are shattered. When he meets Mildred, Mildred insults him, and Yang's pride is broken, and broken is his illusion of belonging to the ship. Mildred calls him filthy beast. Paddy, who is another character in the play, Paddy interprets Mildred's remark filthy beast to mean the airy ape. This is the very title of the play. It is Paddy who interprets Mildred's statement filthy beast to mean the airy ape. At this, his character undergoes a complete transformation. Yang's character goes under a whole transformation after his insult by Mildred. He says that his heart, in the heart of his pride, and he has fallen in hate. A very amusing phrase. We fall in love, but here Yang falls in it. In the beginning, he was scared at the sight of Mildred in the Stockholm, where she did not belong. He thought that Mildred did not belong to the ship. From where has she come? Paddy told him that Mildred, though her eyes had called him airy, then Yang becomes so angry that he vows vengeance on her. Yang माइल्ड्रेड से प्रतिशोध लेने की शपथ लेता है. माइल्ड्रेड से नहीं, माइल्ड्रेड के पिता डगलस और माइल्ड्रेड जैसे दूसरे लोगों से भी प्रतिशोध लेने की सौगंध यंग ले लेता है. यंग सफर्स फ्रॉम other sad experiences also. Once he goes to the Fifth Avenue where the aristocrats अपन हिंदी में कहें संभ्रांत लोग, कुलीन लोग, उच्च वर्ग से संबंधित लोग, तो where the aristocrats dressed in their Sunday best and ladies are coming from the church, the gentry does not recognize him as human. यंग को बड़ी पीड़ा होती है. वो देखता है कि ये जो लोग अरिस्टोक्रेटिक पीपल आ रहे हैं ड्रेस्ड इन बेस्ट, ladies who are coming from church do not take him as a human being. When Long takes him to the furrier shop and shows the monkey fur with a price tag of $2,000, he is bewildered. मंकी फर और मंकी फर की कीमत सुन करके, देख करके, he is so angry, he is bewildered. वो पगला जाता है. And at this stage he challenges the rich aristocrats, but they avoid him with polite behavior. The aristocrats do not oppose him, do not run to kill him. They avoid him. He was mentally disturbed, and this experience aggravates his trouble. Now, Yank is sent to prison for 30 days because there he attacked a gentleman. उसने एक जेंटलमैन पर हमला कर दिया और उस जुर्म में उसको 30 दिन के लिए जेल भेज दिया जाता है. By this time, Yank has lost his identity. Now Yank is without identity. He has lost his identity. Nobody understands him. Now Yank is in prison, and in prison Yank tells his fellow prisoners that he is the hairy ape in the case of the steel magnate डगलस. जेल में वो साथी कैदियों से कहता है कि वो स्टील मैग्नेट डगलस की कैद एक एरी एप है. He thinks he holds Douglas responsible for his being imprisoned. He is now enchanted about himself. He wrenches one iron bar and tries to break through the iron bars of the prison, but he is controlled by the prison guards. After his release, he goes to join the IWW. IWW means Industrial Workers of the World, but the secretary suspects him as a spy, SPY, jasus. He says to the secretary that he does not remember his name. But Yank is unable to remember his name. He does not know his name. His friends call him Yank. It is after some effort that he recollects his name and says it is Bob Smith. After some time, he is able to remember his name and he says that he is Bob Smith. He is thrown out into the street, and here also he does not belong. He says, I am a heap of broken images. Now I have a fragmented personality. Finally, Yank moves to the zoo to establish his fraternity with the apes. He reaches to the zoo and there he establishes his fraternity with the apes. His fall from the dominating position to the monkey house is marked by the stages of fragmentation of self. He moves from the positive to the negative phase. Earlier, when the policeman suspects him of vagrancy, he replies. His reply is very important. Yank says, in inverted commas, I was born. See, I was born. Sure, that's the charge. In the zoo, he hopes that the gorilla will accept him as a companion. In the zoo, this is the climax of the play. In the zoo, Yank hopes that the gorilla will accept him as a companion, since the human beings have rejected him, since he could not reach higher manhood. He descended to lower animalhood. We find Yank at the monkey house where he unburdens his sorrows to the gorilla in the cage. He tries to establish a kinship with the gorilla. He opens the cage, shakes hands with the gorilla, calls it brother, but the gorilla crushes him to death. This is how the center character of the play, Yank, meets his end. So this is the character of Yank. Yank is a symbol. Yank represents the common man engaged in the modern industrial mechanical world. Thanks. Okay.